We've added links in the description below to all of the products we're using in this process, but our absolute number one recommendation is the Gyeon Fabric Coat. It gives amazing waterproofing qualities and will protect against dirt and UV rays in the future. First thing to do is to remove and loosen the surface dirt. The best way to do this is with a jet washer. Keep it at least about 10 to 12 inches away, and also try and angle the jet as well so you're not directly hitting the roof head on. You should check in areas where green algae and dirt will gather, kind of like in the gullies and where the folds are, that kind of thing. But make sure you don't go too close with the nozzle on the jet wash. You don't want to end up damaging the roof. The next stage is to apply the citrus-based all-purpose cleaner. We recommend the Gyeon Bug Grime spray as it works really well on things like tree sap, bird droppings, that kind of thing. When the pre-wash has had a bit of time to soak in and loosen all of that dirt, it's time to get back to the jet washer and rinse it all away, making sure you get into all of the gullies. It's now time for the fabric cleaner and scrubbing brush. Be careful not to scrub too hard. Let the product itself do most of the work of removing the dirt for you. Do a smallish section at a time and rinse as you go. Black fabric can look clean when it's wet, and you want to make sure that you cover all the areas. One really good tip is to use step ladders when you're rinsing. It gives you a perfect view to make sure you've covered all of the areas. Once the roof has been thoroughly rinsed, it's time to use a wet vac to remove most of the moisture and dirty water. Once this is done, you will see any areas that you might have missed, and you can redo those with the fabric cleaner. Once you've vacuumed the whole roof, allow it to dry fully. This can be up to 24 hours, but it will take much less if it's on a nice warm sunny day. Once the roof is fully dry, it is time to seal and protect using the Gyeon Fabric Coat. Before you start, either mask all the areas of glass and paint to avoid overspray, or a quick hack is to drape over microfiber towels on those areas. Then give an even coating all over the roof and allow it to dry. Overnight is best.